Go on.
The Cinderella story continues for TJ Perkins.
Let me cut you off right there, okay? I keep hearing this Cinderella story business, okay? TJ Perkins.
Yo,
Anything more than I
Brian Kendrick's got
Yo, this is how you make goddamn beg for food.
His career in almost a decade.
Does it feel good having your dream come true? Does it? Does it feel good depriving me of what's rightfully mine? Does that feel good? You know that title, it was resurrected for me. I want you to say that
that's it. Yo, send this up here. Send this to the Google
next
now.
time you and I...
Yeah!
That's gonna be when we wake up from this dream.
Go feed. Go feed. Go feed. Go feed.
And the next time these two men meet in the ring is next. Brian Kendrick looks to fight his way back
Stop moving fast.
picture against the cruiserweight champion TJ Perkins.
Look at him. Yo, it's an alcohol fight.
Make them stand up on their foot. They win, Shella, they win.
That's how you make goddamn beg. Yeah!